Hello and welcome to Long's Toys. Today I have another Kamen Rider Gaim review for you. This is Arm Change Series number 06, Mango and Kiwi arm set. You have the Mango arms here on the left with the Mango flail weapon, and then on the right you have the Kiwi arm set with the two chakram kind of weapons. I'm not sure if that's exactly the right name for that kind of weapon. If you know, please tell me in the comments. Here is the box that they come in. It's a picture of Baron wearing Mango and Ryujin wearing Kiwi. Here on the side. The other side. Up top, picture of them wearing the arms. As far as I know, so far on the show, these are the only two. Like, Baron's the only one to wear Mango, and Ryujin is the only one to wear Kiwi. But they do show on the back that because it's the arm change line, anyone can wear these arms. So there's Zangetsu wearing Mango and Gaim wearing Kiwi. I'll show you the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put that off to the side. Let's go ahead and take a look at these arms. Okay, so here is the Mango arms. And this thing really reminds me of like a Digi-Egg from Digimon Adventure 02. I don't know if anyone else remembers that. It's much larger than any of the other arm sets. It's really just huge. The helmet is already inside. And then here is the Mango flail, which is pretty cool, I have to say. But it's very, very heavy, very top heavy. This thing is a hefty chunk. Here is the Kiwi arms, which I like a lot. I think it's cool, the brown and the green. I think it looks pretty good. And then these are identical. It's just these two kind of giant circle blade weapons. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with Mango. Alright, since Mango is exclusively worn by Baron on the show, I'm going to start with him. It's kind of tricky to get this thing open. You kind of have to like open the whole thing to get it on. It cracks open here. And then this piece with the helmet comes around. It's kind of confusing, honestly. I'm trying to remember. So this comes out, and basically what I usually do is just kind of pull this whole thing out, because this is upside down. The clips are here. Oop. So just kind of snap it on. It's giving me some trouble. Okay, so I got it snapped on. This part is going to come down, and then this will actually slide in a little bit. It's hard to see, but this part, let me see if I can show you. Right up to this little, like on this track right here. This is a really kind of difficult arms to transform, but it slides in and then down so that it fits flush with the chest. It's hard to show you, but when you pull it back out, it just kind of, as you put it down, like, because this is how it would normally look, and it's going to slide up so that it fits nice on his chest. Then these are going to fold down for shoulder pads. Now in the instructions it says that this can somehow like lift up and come down on his head, but I don't really think it works. You kind of just have to take the helmet off and just plug it on yourself, because it doesn't really work like the rest of the arm change. And then here, these will fold back, and then this kind of makes like a cape that fits on his back. Alright, so here's Baron wearing the Mango arms, which I think he looks really good, but it's so hard to get it transformed. Like, it doesn't really work like the rest of the arm change, where you can just kind of, pop it on his head and then, pull the sides down and pop it open. You kind of have to like disassemble the entire thing and then kind of put it on his head. And the helmet, like I showed you, you kind of have to just put it on by itself, because it really doesn't work the same way as the others. The big piece on the back is a cape, looks alright, but it makes him really back heavy. And really the only way you can get him to stand is to put the giant flail weapon in his hand, because that is also heavy, so it kind of counts as a counterbalance. But I do think overall that the arms look pretty good on him. I just think it's really difficult to get it on and transformed, and then you really can only get one or two poses out of him because there's so much weight to contend with. Alright, so next up I'm going to show you Kiwi on Ryujin, which works much easier. You just pop it right on like any of the other arms change ones. Snapped on. Now I'm going to pan this up a little bit to show you. This lifts up. Oh, you don't do it wrong. This pops up and comes off to the side. Then this piece lifts up and comes over and folds up to be the one shoulder pad. This comes over here to become the other shoulder pad. This comes down to be the chest. And then this comes down to be the back. Alright, so here's Ryujin wearing Kiwi arms. I think he looks great. The brown and the green really complement each other, and I really like his two giant weapons. Plus, this one is so much easier to get on and transform than Mango. But I really like these arms. I think the brown and the green just go really well with Ryujin's colors. I just think it looks really great. Real quick, I thought I'd show you Mango on Gaim. It's not bad. The red and the yellow kind of work with the blue. But overall, I still think that they look the best on Baron. But it doesn't look too bad. And then here is Gaim and Kiwi, which I do think looks pretty good. The brown and the green kind of go well with the blue and the yellow. I think it looks pretty good. So overall, I think this set is a pretty good addition to the series. I love Kiwi arms. I think they look great on most of the figures. Mango is alright. It's just really kind of convoluted to transform to get the arms on in the first place, and then trying to put it back in the Mango mode is also difficult. They do look good on Baron. They don't really look great on many other people, but you know, Baron really only has the one banana that seems to look good on him, so it's nice to get another set for Baron because he really just has banana. So, like I said, it's nice to get Mango for him, but otherwise, Mango is probably my least favorite of all the arm change series so far, but that doesn't mean it's terrible, it's just my least favorite. So if you're collecting everything, I definitely recommend it. If you just love Kiwi, which is mainly the reason that I got the set, because I really thought the Kiwi arms look great, and they do. So if you definitely want Kiwi, I would say go ahead and pick it up. It's not bad to have Mango. I certainly didn't buy the set for Mango. But let me know what you think in the comments. Please like, please share this video, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.